Stock of the day, here it is, Amazon. It reported blowout profits, and this morning, pre-market up another 4%, $73 high. This is pre-market, $18.81 is your price. Ben Walsh is with us, Barron's finance reporter. As you look out to the future, and they're looking towards going to $2,050 a share, they're a trillion-dollar company. What stops them?
Hard to say, but I don't think much. If you look at Amazon, they're obviously an incredibly dominant retailer. They continue to attract incredibly sticky customers. Prime members are incredibly loyal to the company, and they're expanding into new businesses.
I didn't see the numbers, but have they expanded the number of Prime people?
I believe they have, and the thing that's interesting about that is they've shown with Prime users that they have pricing power. So this happened last year. They started to ratchet up the cost for Prime membership and saw really no reduction in those memberships. So people stick around, which is important.
Is this the most dynamic company that you've seen? I know you're much younger than I am, and I've been around a long, long time, but frankly, I've never seen anything like Amazon.
Well, it's incredibly powerful. I think that's the thing that's the most interesting about it, is that the way that they can reshape multiple different industries from top to bottom. I think it's something similar to like what Walmart did in the 90s, where they just completely reshaped American retail. But it's happening now.
It sure is. One other one for you. I believe that Amazon had a job posting. They're looking for an executive who knows about mortgages, has mortgage experience.
Yeah.
What are you going to read into that?
Well, what I read into that is that Amazon wants to be in pretty much every business, and that they're always thinking about if they're not in a business currently, is it attractive? What makes sense? Can we sell this product? If we're not going to sell this product, I think they have a pretty good reason why they're not going to. So they're looking to sell everything, and I don't see why they couldn't explore that.
But wait a second. Mortgages implies financial services.
Sure.
Financial services is a whopping great big industry.
Absolutely.
And if they get into it, other players in the industry are going to take a hit.
Absolutely, but they're also looking at partnering. So they're working with, the Wall Street Journal has reported that they're exploring a partnership with J.P. Morgan. What that exactly is unclear, but that could be extremely interesting. There have been rumblings from people in the asset management industry that maybe they want to sell some sort of investment fund. But I think the key here is that Amazon will want to do what they can sell to get more market share without bringing the burden of bank regulation. They want to avoid that.
Oh, obviously. The thing is, Amazon is so brilliant at liaising with the customer.
Right.
It's so efficient. It's seamless. And if I could get a seamless mortgage, I'd do it.
Right. Well, and there are lots of online lenders right now who are trying to speed up the mortgage process. And what they've found is that it is very tough to write mortgages extremely quickly because there are lots of layers. There's due diligence, there's regulation. It's a big transaction. And also the thing that's interesting to me is that Amazon provides a customer experience that wows people. That's what they want to do.
That's right.
The issue with mortgages is you're most happy on the first day. And then after that, it's just pain the rest of the way. And so I don't know whether they want to be in a business where people just don't really enjoy the service for the 30 years that they're involved with the company.
Unless they could correct it.
That's right, yeah.
Ben, it was your first time on this program.
That's correct.
Do you want to come back?
Sure.
Really? You don't care for you?
It's been painless.
Good. Ben Walsh, everyone. Good stuff. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.